stray kitten showed up at our house, and he was so small and so cute. So Julie started feeding him, and he really loved the food. And then he got to really looking forward to when we take the dog out for a walk, and he gets to playing with the dog. And pretty soon he's looking forward to the dog coming out for a walk, and he sits on the doorstep waiting for the doggy to come out and go for a walk so he can play with him. And he just plays with the doggy but it was starting getting pretty cold, and we didn't want any more cats in the house. We've got a couple now, and our granddaughter's got a couple, and so we didn't want to really bring him in, but it's getting cold, and about the first snowfall, Julie decided that she could clean out one more litter box. So here he is, having some Thanksgiving turkey and just enjoying himself now that he's inside. Now that he's an inside kitty and he's not a stray cat anymore. And he just loves playing with the cat toys Julie has on the couch to keep the kitties from scratching it up. And so now he's living inside and just enjoying himself and living the life of luxury as an inside kitty. No longer the stray kitty. Well, if you like that video about Uno, the stray kitty, our great-granddaughter named him Uno. So if you like that video, can you please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel? I would really appreciate it. And if you want to tell us about your cats here in the comments, that would be great too. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and we will talk to you next time. Bye.